What exciting adventures will we choose?
As we're leaving the ship, we're just giving you a quick run through as many room types as we can. So this is a balcony cabin. They have the bed put together near the door. There's also a full-length couch, TV on that wall, big window. And this is a balcony. View outside. And it has the same footstool and garbage can and hair dryer, the same drink fridge, about the same size shelving unit, but this is one little extra shelving unit that our room didn't have. A side table that's half size, side table that's the same as ours. A closet beside the bed that has similar shelves to what was beside ours. And maybe just a slightly deeper closet. And the washroom, other than being the other direction, is exactly the same. So that was room 12122.
We're retired, it's time to cruise. Where will we go next? What will we see? What exciting adventures will we choose? We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos as we visit new